In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to MP4. This process will allow you to easily share your presentations in a video format, making it accessible for various platforms. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, navigate to the top right corner of the window. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. Click on this icon. This action brings up a menu of various Google services at your fingertips. It's a simple step, but it sets the stage for accessing Google Slides quickly, ensuring you can efficiently manage your presentations. Next, in the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Slides and click on it. This will take you directly to Google Slides, where all your presentations are stored. It's important to note that this step allows you to access your work seamlessly. You'll be greeted by a familiar interface where you can manage and create presentations effortlessly. Now, open your presentation in Google Slides. You can do this by selecting the specific presentation you want to convert from your list. Once you've clicked on it, the presentation will appear on your screen. This is the moment where all your hard work comes together, and you're ready to transform it into a video format. After that, click on the Extensions menu located in the top menu bar. From there, select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This step is crucial as you will need to find the right tool to help with the conversion. The add-ons available enhance your Google Slides experience, making it more versatile for various tasks, including video creation. Next, in the search bar, type in Creator Studio or Slides to Video. Once you find it, click on Install. This add-on will assist you in converting your slides to a video format. Installing the right add-on is essential because it streamlines the conversion process, saving you time and ensuring quality in the final product. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu again, click on Creator Studio, and then select Create Video. This action opens up the settings for your video creation. It's a straightforward process that allows you to customize your video according to your preferences, ensuring it meets your needs. Now, set your desired video resolution and width in pixels. This is an important step as it directly affects the quality of your final video. Choosing the right resolution ensures that your video looks professional and is suitable for your intended platform or audience. Next, set the interval between slides. This determines how many seconds each slide stays on the screen. Adjusting this setting is crucial because it influences the pacing of your video. A well-timed presentation keeps viewers engaged and allows them to absorb the information effectively. Finally, under the Export format, select Video File MP4 and click Go. This final step will initiate the conversion process. By choosing the MP4 format, you ensure compatibility with most devices and platforms, making it easy to share your video with others. Once the conversion is complete, you will have your presentation in a video format ready for distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google Slides to MP4. This process can significantly enhance how you share your presentations, making them more dynamic and engaging for your audience. Thank you for following along.